Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Shein account or sign up for Shein on the mobile app. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and then download the Shein app. And once it's downloaded, simply open it. And now it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap the Me option on the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the Sign In option on the top side of the screen. Now, it will take you to this page where, in order to create an account, first of all, enter your email address. And now, enter your password. And now, create a new password for your account. Now, tap register. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Shein account on your mobile device. So, that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.